Okay, we're just preparing to go out for a drive on the Salisbury Plain this morning. And obviously because we film for a YouTube series, I want to just run you through some of the kit that we've got that we use for filming. We're incredibly lucky to have a great sponsor in Curry's Know-How who supply us with all our camera kit. We've got more than normal really, I think. So I'm going to take you through what we're using. So the first thing we got here is suction pads for the Hero series. We've got two of them. So one is going to go on the back of this vehicle, or sorry, the other vehicle, which will face backwards, and this one here will go on the front of the other one, so it records. So one's facing back, one's facing forward, so we can catch our two vehicles. We're only going out with two vehicles today.
What's that thing?
This here is off a Karma Pro, a GoPro drone. Unfortunately, ours was damaged in an accident in Bosnia last year. But we've still got the handheld, and this is a little gimbal here, so that's all kind of self-leveling. So we've got a Hero black in there.
We're not sure what series.
Not sure what series, I can't remember what series they are.
What's that
This one here is a GoPro extending stick. I'm not really sure the proper name of it, but this basically extends out so we can hold it out the window of the vehicle or down at the wheels, like so. We can hold it down like that and film the wheels. So again, that extends quite high. This one here is a Hero 3, which we've been had for a long time. We use that one as well. So that's 5 GoPros we're using there. We also use a Panasonic camera. It's a 4K camera. We use this on the Expedition. It actually films. It's a fantastic bit of kit. Again, from our friends at Curry's. This one we just received this week. This is a Nikon D5600. Again, takes great video and obviously great stills. We have another one of these, which will only take one out this morning. So we have two of these, and we also have, this one is a 35 to 140 lens, I think. What is it?
80 to 140.
80 to 140.
18 to 140.
18 to 140 lens, and we also have a 150 to 600 lens, which is on a tripod upstairs at the moment. At the back here, we have Navigattor GPS systems. These come from a company in Spain, obviously called Navigattor. But the whole thing is based on Aussie Explorer, which is big in Australia, and it gives us all GPS kind of mapping, and it's a fantastic piece of kit. So we have one of each for each of these vehicles. We're also trying out this morning for the first time a new app, it's called Gaia GPS, and we're going to try that out for the first time. So we'll set that as we leave here, and it should track our track, which means we can actually upload that to the computer. We can also draw on the computer upstairs a route, so we'll use that for our next expedition. And we're just going to start trying the kit out now. So all we're going to do now is get all the cameras set up, and we'll head off, and hopefully you can see the film after this.
Oh, it feels like home. It feels like finally found my way. It feels like home. I know it's hard because I'm standing where you are. I can feel the pain. I know it well. We can't lay where we fell and expect a change. I see the line invisible between you and I. A question across, I see it clearly as I hold tight to that feeling. What is gained and lost? 'Cause love is a battle to be fought, and all we wanna do is win. I just can't be someone I'm not, and I just don't know where I'm supposed to begin. All we gotta do is put ourselves in each other's shoes. Try to understand that no one is the same, and there's no one can blame us for being human. 'Cause love is a battle to be fought, and all we wanna do is win. I just can't be someone I'm not. I just don't know where I'm supposed to begin. All we gotta do is put ourselves in each other's shoes. Try to understand. expect to change. I see the line invisible between you and I. A question across, I see it clearly as I hold tight to that feeling. What is gain and loss? 'Cause love is a battle to be fought, and all we wanna do is win. But I just can't be someone I'm not. And I just don't know where I'm supposed to begin. All we gotta do is put ourselves in each other's shoes. Try to understand that no one is the same, and there's no one can blame us for being human. 'Cause love is a battle to be fought, and all we wanna do is win. But I just can't be someone I'm not. I just don't know where I'm supposed to begin.
Okay, we'll just get back. We've done it was just a quick 35-kilometre route we did across the Salisbury Plain. Just testing cameras out and stuff like that. Like, hopefully we got some good footage for you to see. So all I'd ask you to do now, if you've enjoyed what we're doing, please like and share our post and get it as far as wide as you can. And the biggest thing is we need people to subscribe to our channel. I'll say that word again, subscribe, 'cause I'm not very good at that one.
Subscribe.
We need people to subscribe to our channel because we're trying to grow to 1,000 so we can join a YouTube partner program. And once we get to that, we start to get monetarized, which means we start to get some funds from YouTube. So we need your help in doing that. So please like, share and subscribe. And the last thing is, your comments are really important. We want to give you the best footage we can do, so comment on our videos, tell us what you'd like to see, anything you'd like us to add into your videos. The footage we've done over the last year and a half, that's already there, set in stone. We can't really change that, but we can actually change the stuff that we're doing now, which is the midweek videos, which this one will be. Please like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, on Twitter.